Mansory edition. So what's up, guys? We haven't made a video on the Shelby yet, so I figured it's time to probably make a video on it. I don't really know what I'm going to make a video on. I'm definitely going to go spray it down a little bit. I'm not going to fully wash it. I just need to get some of these bugs off of it and record a little bit of it, and then, you know, we'll go take it somewhere and make a video. I don't know. I'm not really too sure, but you guys haven't seen much of the car. I made one review video and no one even really watched it because I don't think anyone knows what car I got. So maybe if I post, you know, GT500 or whatever, I'll get some more views. I know I haven't posted at all in like months. That is because my business is finally, I was working pretty well, hired an employee, and it's a lot more, I don't know how to word it, like a lot more time is in it than I really expected, which is stupid because it's a business, but, you know, it is what it is, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, that's just, if you're wondering where the videos are at, this is not my daytime job. I have like 25,000 subs, which is cool, but it's nothing like that can support me, so I would like to work towards it, but I would like to work towards, I can't hear what this car is. Alright, I'm going to attempt to hand dry it with the microfibers I bought. I didn't really even wash it though, I just sprayed it down and sprayed the soap on it, and that's it. Just because I didn't feel like hand wash it, I would wash it this weekend, but I just couldn't stand how dusty and many bugs were on it, so should have brought a bucket with me and just actually washed it, but I messed it up. Anyways, let's go find somewhere to make a video on this thing. We're at some wild Michigan meat over here. Bunch of cars. I want you guys to check out this Cobra. This thing is sweet. Pay it off. Yeah, yeah. Vato. Oh, they're probably looking at the stash like, what is going on in the stash today, boys? See, que pasó, fool. This thing is sick, super clean. 800 horsepower, boys. Ooh, look at that mustache. Car. Oh, that thing is badass. Got the R, bro. Look at that thing, yo. That is so low. No, it's stand next to that. Full carbon Aventador Mansory edition. Yeah, look at the carbon. The whole entire car, every fender, mirror, door.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go to hybrid and stuff. This is the last. This is like the exotic car.
Lenses and everything. Wicked. Just horses at a car meet, boy. I got horses in the back. At a car meet. That's normal. Normal Michigan shit, huh? Down river.
Welcome to Taylor.
Welcome to Taylor, baby. Oh my god. Right here? Yeah, buddy. My shit right here. So sick. That's what's there too. This is bad though. I might get another one.
This was the one that was in the shop.
Stupid clean, boys. Stupid clean. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are working on a ZL1 today. Come on.
Hey guys, how you doing? This is Dylan here with Baseline Garage.
We recently got rid of our small block nitrous no time car, and we ended up with this nasty ZL1 2013 Camaro. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the ZL1 that we just picked up. So it's a 418 fully built motor. It's got the ZL1 blower on it, but it's all gutted. There's nothing in there. This is the coolest part about this car in my opinion. Just looks like a cold air intake. However, this is actually a charge pipe. It's twin turboed. Here you can see our meth injection line, and it has twin turbos mounted in the trans tunnel. So pretty cool. We got 17-inch RC component hammers on it with beadlock rears, 15-inch conversion. Carlisle makes the calipers and whatnot for it. The other cool thing about it is that full interior is still in it. So we have a couple gauges, and the shifter is really the only thing that gives it away, but stage 5 4L80 with a brake on it. This is going to be your line lock, bump box, and rolling anti-lag. Has a leash boost controller on it, but we'll fire it up in a sec, but I'll just show you guys. Everything still works on this car. So all the gauges, the heads-up display, along with the navigation even, and the heated seats. Very cool. This car is unreal. Super pumped to have it. Like I said, we just got it, and I look forward to making more videos about it. Especially we'll be taking it on cruises, taking it on trips, whatnot. And if you're lucky, we'll get some street racing videos in there. We try to not though. All right, let me fire it up for you. It has an electronic cutout too, so I'm just gonna open it up just so you guys can see how loud it is. I apologize if it's a little dirty. We're in the process of removing the wrap that was on it, so we're just kind of switching things up and getting it ready to go have fun with it.
Sorry, I may cut you off. The GoPro X kind of funny. Might need a new one soon. But yeah, like, just be prepared. If it goes well and you guys are into it and we get some views going, I might invest into a badass camera, get some good footage going. You know, like, I used to make sweet videos back in the day, boys, but like I said, starting my own business, doing stuff, takes a lot of time up. So if they're down to help out, we can make some sweet channel going on here. I'm telling you what, like I'll put my money on it, Chris, that there will not be another channel on YouTube that correlate like us. I'm telling you, the stuff we do is pretty crazy. It really is. Like, we do some wild stuff that we don't record. I mean, wait, like,
hold up 1 second. What time? It's 9:30 on a Sunday night. What are we doing?
Mess with a 1300 horsepower Camaro.
We had to got right here jobs just so we could do car stuff.
That's what I'm saying. It's like,
hey,
how many cars have you gone through in the past week? 2 weeks?
Oh, 5, 6.
And how much horsepower? 5,000 horsepower between them? 5 or 6,000? Like, seriously?
Yeah, probably. I mean, realistically, in the last 2 cars we've had, it was, well, 1,300 here, and the other one was, can't really disclose, but made more than that. Yeah. So there you go. You're already halfway past.
That'd be a good video. Our buddy actually ended up with a car, so that'd be cool. A small block, no time, box body, nitrous car.
I'm telling you what, though, instead of just doing supercar stuff, we can teach you how to make money too. The world revolves around money, and if you want to have these toys, like, we're not made of money, but we figured out a way how to do it. So I like helping people out. You know,
all self-made. What is it?
Own boss.
Own boss.
Own boss.
Own
what?
boss.
That's gonna be a t-shirt. We'll make that Own Boss t-shirt one day.
Own boss?
Yeah.
Garage?
Own boss. No one helped us do stupid shit like this.
I don't know. Maybe I did. Maybe not you did.
I mean, I worked my whole entire life. No one handed, not like my father just like, hey, here's a GT500, son. Like, no way.
I was 14 picking up dirty towels at a gym.
Hey, I was 15 making pizzas, 40 an hour in high school.
Hey,
come on. 40 an hour, 40. See, so.
Dirty train.
Hey, look. This is what I drive every day.
Look at that. How many platinums have we had, though?
A few.
Alex hiding in the back, like, don't give me the video.
Yeah.
Dylan, what do you think on the 500? What do you think about it?
The 500.
You like it?
I think it's gonna get. That bitch is bad, but it's gonna get.
Okay,
gas.
that's a different story over there. Screw that car.
Oh, this thing's super clean.
Not bad, right?
I should introduce myself.
Oh yeah.
Hi guys, my name's Dylan Gotts, good buddy of Frank's. Met through Chris over here.
Bing.
I was actually here when we got this car.
Picked it up, which we didn't make a video on, which we should have.
Yeah, we should have.
I apologize. I kind of got out of the YouTube game for a little bit, but I think we came up with an idea that we're gonna come back, and I'm kind of gonna leave the construction videos on hold for now, just because honestly, when I'm at work, it's not about. There's no videos involved. It's business. So, I mean, I like to do it, but it's not. I tried it, guys. I spent like $4 grand on a videographer and did all this crap, and it just wasn't worth my time. So, and the cars, yeah, the cars are my passion anyways. That's why it's called Baseline Garage. If you look at the videos from 2 years, 3 years ago, it was cars and dirt bikes. So now I'm a little older and I have a little more money. I can have more toys, and you know. Plus, these guys have race cars all the time, and
there's not much baseline about this girl.
No, yeah, we were just talking about that, like baseline. You know, usually like definition of baseline is a baseline tune. Like when you first get it stock, it's baseline, then you do your mods. But everything's not stock, so maybe it's we can make a joke about it. Maybe
this could be like a come up.
Yeah,
started with baseline stuff.
Yeah,
GT500.
but we skipped the whole videoing of everything stock. Yeah, but yeah, man, we're stay along for the ride, boys. It's gonna be a fun time. They go to a Texas 2K every year. Chris was in Indiana for some huge drag racing event. They're into racing.
No Mercy and Lights Out in Valdosta, Georgia. That's a big one. I'll definitely be making videos from there.
I have no idea what he's talking about, but don't matter because they're doing it, so it's cool. We're gonna have a little team going on though, so you'll see videos from me, from Dylan, and from Chris. All maybe we won't be there, whatever's going on, but that's the team, boys. So it's gonna be a pretty good time. Other than that, we're just gonna munch around with the ZL1. Can you even call it a ZL1 anymore?
The body is a ZL1.
Yeah, but like not a ZL1. Like it's not a ZL1. I never understood that. It's like you take the supercharger off of it, and now what is it, like a ZL2? Like it's twin turbo? ZL2. So you take the badge off, make your custom badge. ZL2 right there, baby.
What's called the ZL Nasty?
ZL Nasty. Are we allowed to like let people know what it makes or no?
Yeah, sure. I made 1250 wheel, and that was without the methanol on it.
Yeah, so. Alright, though, I might be getting out of here because I got to work at like 5:30 in the morning. These boys are going to mess around with the car. Should be done tonight. Other than that, though, you guys are into the type of videos with the cars and stuff, subscribe, stick around. There'll be a lot of cool stuff going down. We should have done this a long time ago, but we're just getting around to it. So stay tuned and be ready, boys. It's about to be sweet.